Hi guys, my name is Janeth, Arredondo here to from SOAR Middle School, and today we're going to be going over some key things that you need in order to successfully translate a point or a figure. We're also going to be going over some examples, so let's get started. We're going to go over some rules that you need to know in order to successfully translate a point or shape. This is a general translation rule. X, y turns into x plus number, y plus number. The first number is the units moved on the x coordinate, and the second number is the units moved on the y coordinate. Here's how you translate points. When your point moves to the right, you add to your x coordinate. Or, if your point moves to the left, you subtract from your x coordinate. Now, when your point moves up, you add to your y coordinate. Or, if your point moves down, you subtract from your y coordinate. This is a rule for a point that moved 4 units to the right and 7 units down. X, y turns into x plus 4, y minus 7. Now that you know how the rules work, let's finish putting everything together. Alright guys, I'm going to be going over 3 different scenarios, but for this first one, it's going to be where they give you the points and you guys have to write out the rule. And as you can see, I already have the rule written out. I'm going to get into that later. But first we need to figure out from where to where we're going to go. So either from here to here or from here to here. But the main clue that you guys need is to search for this little prime notation. So you guys will always go from A to A prime, or from whatever letter to the prime. So this is your original and this is your new. So now we need to find out what these little hashtags are. This first hashtag is going to be the amount of units that you moved either to the left or to the right. So let's do that. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we moved 4 units to the right. And since we moved to the right, our number is going to be positive. So let me change that. Now let's work with our y-axis. This little hashtag is going to determine how many units we moved either up or down. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now since we moved down, this plus sign is going to change to a negative sign, and it's going to turn into minus 3. And that's how you get from A to A prime. Alright guys, for the second example, we have the rule here. Now we need to plot the points and find where our new is and where our original is. So from here, they're giving us our original point. So let's go to 6, negative 5, which is right here. So this is going to be our A. And they're telling us to follow this rule. So x minus 4, y plus 2. So we're going to go x minus 4, since it's negative. We're going to move to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to move y up 2. So 1, 2. And this is where our A prime is going to be. It's going to be in 2, negative 3. So 6, negative 5 turns into 2, negative 3. Alright guys, for this last example, we're going to be working with the shape. Now don't be intimidated just because you see multiple points. This is going to work the same as if you were working with its individual points. So now we're going to grab each point and work this rule with all of them. So it's x, y turns into x plus 5, y plus 3. So now let's start off with point A. So we're going to do x plus 5. So x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y plus 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is where our first point is going to be, our A prime. And now let's go with C. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 up. 1, 2, 3. So this is where our C prime is going to be. Now our final point, B. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3. this is where point B prime is gonna end up to be. So now you guys can see the shape a little better.
Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful in order for you guys to successfully now be able to translate points and shapes. Until next time.